In one of our latest videos, we learned about After Effects templates, which if you are already familiar with templates, you must either already know or are curious about After Effects scripts. In any case, this video is all about scripts, so buckle up to learn all about them. Let's jump right into the video. A script, by its dictionary definition, is the written text of a play or a film, for instance. The definition of a script in a digital context does not veer much farther from this, as it's a series of commands which are written in code that tell a software to perform a specific action. Scripts are used to mainly streamline your workflow and make things easier. What a script can do is make repetitive tasks that usually require many steps be performed in one click. Scripts are also used for the purpose of performing complex operations. Another use for scripts is being able to use a functionality that does not exist in the user interface of the software. This is also what scripts are all about in After Effects, actually. Different software use different languages for their coding of a script, and in After Effects case, Adobe ExtendScript language is used for writing scripts. This language is an extended form of JavaScript. ExtendScript files have the .jsx or .jsxbin file name extension. It goes without saying that writing a script requires an intimate knowledge of coding. In After Effects, writing scripts can be done using what is known as a script editor. A script editor is part of the ExtendScript toolkit, a toolkit that allows you to create, debug, and test your own scripts easily. It's also possible to not have to write a script from scratch, but rather ever slightly modifying it to make it do what you want. In the case of a modification rather than writing, you do not need that great of knowledge with coding. In our last video, we talked about templates. So if you're wondering how templates and scripts are so different, this is it. Scripts are all about lines of code, asking After Effects to perform tasks that are repetitive to save time. A template does not involve code at all. It's just a pre-made project file that has everything prepared for you. All you have to do is drag and drop media to your timeline and poof, your project is done. Templates and scripts are on opposite sides of the spectrum. One needs very little knowledge of After Effects, let alone coding, and the other needs deep understanding of both After Effects and coding. Now that you understand what scripts do, there's nothing better than getting a real idea of the great power of a script than presenting you with some of the best scripts that you can get on After Effects. Here goes. TDMOGRT Creator helps you convert any After Effects project file, AEP, to Motion Graphics Template, or MOGRT, for Premiere Pro. This can be a great time saver if you constantly go back and forth between the two software in your workflow. If your work relies heavily on making explainer videos and typography projects, you're in for a great surprise with this script. Shapes Titles Creator contains more than 500 animated shapes, animated titles, transitions, lower thirds, and much more. If you like to have everything in one place, this script is for you. ProMotion performs many actions, more than 35 functions to be precise. Some of the functions that ProMotion provides include, but are not limited to, keyframe interpolation, fake 3D/extrude, anticipation, add null, trim layer to keyframes, and many, many more. If you want to render your project with ease and without having to deal with a complicated process or a third-party plugin, get Renderer. It's an easy tool for exporting videos, GIFs, or sequences in one click, right from After Effects. Do you know those whiteboard animations that you find all around Fiverr, which also exploded in popularity and were used in a lot of explainer videos? Well, get this, there's a script that helps you make them very easily. Auto Whiteboard provides more than 60 drawing options, including marker, pencil, pen, eraser, etc., that can be used individually or in combinations. You can also use your own hand and put it in the animation. If you make a lot of whiteboard animations, this will save you a whole lot of time. Color me impressed! You actually reached the end of our video. We thank you for watching all the way through, and hey, we hope you learned something new today. If you like this video, make sure to check out our videos about After Effects that go through the software from A to Z. With that being said, see you next time.